Hey there. So today I'd like to talk to you about this. This is the pre-runner solar powered auto darkening welding lenses. These are for specific welding helmets. And by a welding helmet, I mean something like this. This is my one that I use. And as you can see, the lens that you look through is much bigger than what I have here. But this does fit a lot of specific welding helmets. It gives a very specific area that you can just replace. Inside of it, it has specific batteries that you can replace. These are the CR1025s. And what's interesting about this one is it's actually solar powered to try to help make this battery last longer. And it does have low power mode and stuff like that. So it won't run out automatically on you. There are 3 different modes for this. There is grind, passive, and auto. So if you just want to have it grind and you just want to be able to have this as a protector, you can do that. It does come with 2 protective shields that you can put in front of it to help try to save the lens on this. And of course, it says warning on it. So you just basically remove that, and that is now a clear plastic cover that you can put over top of it. I'm going to see if I can demonstrate this here for you. I'm going to put this on auto, and this is the front here, and this is what you look through, and you can see me on it fairly well. So you can see me. If I take this and put that up, you'll see that I disappear because it's basically auto darkening, and you'll see it come back here. Eventually, you can see me through it. You can see that automatically darkens and undarkens. So it's pretty cool. It's the speed in which these things work are very fast. So you don't have to worry about your eyes being damaged by that. My flashlight, of course, is nowhere near the brightness of what a TIG or a MIG or a stick welding type apparatus would be, but this will handle all of them. So if you're looking for one that replaces this size, you might want to go ahead and check that out. And you'll notice it does have a gold-coated design on it, and that's to help with glare and optical clarity. So that's kind of cool. I like that design. So from what I am understanding is the battery is what controls the auto darkening, the automatic shut off, and the solar is there to always be watching and helping with that auto darkening. So it basically sends a signal to the battery that say automatically darken, and the battery probably goes to a capacitor that dumps it really quick so that it can quickly darken the lens. So it's kind of cool that the solar is offloading the battery so the battery's not always working and trying to darken or keep up with what's happening behind the scenes. So that's kind of cool. But if you need something like this, this definitely is a simple replacement if you're looking for it. Make sure you check the statistics. Check the settings on this to make sure that it's the right version for what you're trying to replace. I mean, obviously it won't fit mine. It's too small. Makes sense. But so check them out. Very cool, very thin, and it'll just work with what you already have. So check it out.